So funny enough, with the excitement around Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies seemed to be more so as it was gaining in price, and it was going up, and people were making money with it. I haven't seen, or we haven't been getting many inquiries about it now that the price is falling pretty dramatically. I think 32% from the high. No, we're not getting any questions or interest from people that are saying, "Oh, now we see value in Bitcoin," and I don't know if that tells us anything really. To me, it's a speculative asset. It's something that can be traded, and I don't necessarily fully understand the reason why it needs to exist, but it does, and it makes up over $1 trillion in market cap. The thing that I'm concerned about when it comes to a 32% fall in this asset class that is now pretty sizable is the potential risk of contagion. So far, we've seen the market absorb all of this. A third of Bitcoin's market cap being wiped out in a couple of weeks. The broader markets are down just a handful of percent, which is nothing to write home about. If Bitcoin were to get cut in half again from here, my concern is that the owners of Bitcoin, large institutional and retail investors that have millions and tens of millions of dollars invested there, if they're doing it on margin, where they start to get a margin call and they need to come up with cash to meet the margin call, does that start to affect other parts of the market? That is something that I'm concerned about. As somebody who's merely an observer of Bitcoin from the sidelines, that's my concern at the moment.